Happy Monday, everybody. Biggie's Kitchen, baby. That's where you're at. Today we're going to make some chicken chop suey. It's quick, it's pretty easy, there's not much to do. I went ahead and I pre-made the sauce, so I'm just going to roll over that. What the sauce is, of course, I always put the recipes in. You're going to use a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dry sherry, half teaspoon of sesame oil, to about 1. I usually put 1, and just a little dash of white pepper or black pepper, whatever you like. That's the sauce. We just made it to get it out of the way for the sake of the video being very short. We're going to start off by sauteing the onions first. That's what we do. We're going to get that going, and we will follow that with the carrots and the celery. So when these are done, I'll be back. So with the onions, all you want to do is get the white onions a little bit translucent and the green onions a little bit. You really don't want to brown these things at all. Next step is going to be putting in the chicken. Now I did velvet this stuff, which I talked about earlier on another video. You can look up velveting chicken if you want. This is that special taste that you get when you go to the Chinese restaurants and order chicken dishes or beef dishes, pork, whatever. That's what does it. So now we're just going to let this brown up. When that browns up, then we'll add the garlic. We'll add the rest of the vegetables as well as the soybean. That'll cook, and then we'll put in the sauce and thicken, and we're done. So the whole thing is only probably about 15 minutes. See you in a few. Okay, so chicken's pretty much right where we want it. We don't want it really brown, and we don't want it completely. We want it about 90% cooked, which is where we're at right now. So for this particular recipe, unusual as it is, seems like the pre-made, the pre-cut and olive oil garlic works best than the fresh. So I'm using that for that. Now the next one we're putting in the rest of the veggies. We're basically going to stir fry them. I'll get them all mixed up. I'll turn it down a little bit, put the lid on for about 5 minutes, and then we'll sauce it up. We'll be ready to go. Well, can't forget our fresh bean sprouts. So I'll get this going for you guys, and I'll see you when we're done. Here you go, guys. There you have it. Some homemade chopped suey. Done well. It's quick. It's easy. You put a lot of meat in it. Something you won't get when you go to a Chinese restaurant at all. And it's healthy. I mean, it's 99%, well, not in mine, but probably about 80% vegetable. So I'll post the recipe. Enjoy it.